Some might think that being alone means having fewer responsibilities, but great individuals like Ratan Tata don't see it that way. Ratan Tata was an inspiration for those who tend to look for excuses to avoid responsibility. This perspective overlooks the magnitude of the responsibilities he willingly shouldered, not for a family but for millions of people connected to his business empire and social initiatives. He dedicated his life to making an important impact on a much large scale. Tata's commitment extended beyond profit. He led with a sense of duty towards employees, the less privileged, and India at large. Under his leadership, the Tata Group not only expanded globally but also became known for its strong ethical foundation and philanthropy. His focus on affordable cars, Tata Nano, global steel manufacturing, and innovation in the IT sector created jobs for thousands of families across the world. His life inspires those who believe they need personal reasons to avoid responsibility. Ratan Tata didn't have a conventional family, but his actions shows that true leadership is about serving society and contributing to the greater good irrespective of personal circumstances. Ratan Tata, the legendary Indian industrialist, passed away on October 9, 2024, at the age of 86, leaving behind an inspiring legacy that will forever be remembered. He was a visionary who transferred Tata Group into a global conglomerate, growing it from rupees 10,000 crore in revenue in 1991 to over $100 billion by 2012. His leadership was defined by a deep commitment to ethics, innovation, and philanthropy. Ratan Tata took over Tata Sons in 1991, steering it through global challenges, including the acquisition of international brands like Jaguar, Land Rover, and Cruise Steel. At what truly set him apart was his humility and unwavering commitment to social causes. He believed in using business as a force for good, leading numerous philanthropy efforts through the Tata Trust, which have had an immense impact on healthcare, education, and rural development across India. Throughout his life, Ratan Tata was guided by a principle of serving not just shareholders but also the larger community. His belief that business must do good for society resonates with his many contributions to India's growth. Even after his retirement, he remained an inspiration for young entrepreneurs, often sharing his views on resilience, integrity, and perseverance. His passing marks the end of an era, but his legacy will continue to inspire generations.